Hello guys, welcome back. In last tutorial we have learned how to install WordPress using auto installer. We have used Hostinger auto installer for installing WordPress. Now once the WordPress is installed, we have to do some basic settings for our WordPress. So for doing that we have to visit the backend of WordPress, which is also called as admin panel. So how to access admin panel? Wherever your hosting name is given, you have to put a /wp/admin wp-admin. Now you have to enter the username of your WordPress site which you have given at the time of creation of your WordPress website. So once you enter the email address and password, click on login. Now you will be landed to the admin dashboard. We will see how we can customize this dashboard later, like we can drag and drop the position of different widgets in the WordPress and customize that options using this screen option. But in this video we will see what basic settings you should do once the WordPress is installed. So now once you log in into the admin dashboard, what you have to do, you have to click on posts and select the hello world post, bulk action, move to trash, apply. These are dummy posts. You have to go to pages, you have to select all the pages, click on trash, move to trash, apply the settings. Now as we have already deleted the post, the comments related to the post will be by default it is deleted. Let's check if there are any comments. There are no default comments, so we will leave this comment section as it is. Now go to settings. Once you click on settings, you can see various settings for your website available. The first setting which I will recommend you to do is to set the time zone of your country. For example, I am living in India, and for India the time zone is UTC plus 5:30. Let me set the time zone. So yeah, once you select the UTC 5:30 time zone, click on save changes. Now saving changes is very important because the changes will not reflect until and unless the changes are saved using save button. Now other than that, if you want to have membership for another user so that he can log in and create his own account, you can enable that by clicking on this option of anyone can register. Now whoever is registering on your website, he will by default get a role of subscriber. We will describe the user roles later in our tutorial series. There are different types of role available: contributor role, author role, editor role, administrator role. Generally administrator is the highest role which we can give to an user, but it is reserved for the site maintenance guy. By default I will keep this as subscriber itself. I'll select the subscriber, I'll scroll down, click on save changes. Now the changes are saved. If you want, you can change the site title. For the demo video, I'll keep it as a demo itself. Now go to writing sections. You can see there are different things available and different settings available, and there is an update service section in the writing section of WordPress admin panel. What you have to do, you have to copy all these links to this update service section. Click on save change. Now the settings is saved. I will let you know, I will teach you what exactly is this update service settings in my coming tutorials. Now next setting which we have to do is we have to go on reading. You can see you can change the value here. I am not changing any value. Let's go to discussion setting. Let me click this first option, attempt to notify any blog link from the articles. Now user must be registered to log in to comment. Anonymous comment, we should not able to see any unknown person commenting on your post. We will ask the user to forcefully log in. and when the user logged in, he will be getting a default role of a subscriber. Automatically close the comment. I will not select that. Comment should be manually approved. Yeah, this is very important, because if someone is commenting on your post, the post should be proper way. The post should not contain any humiliating content or any bad language though. So actually WordPress provide us a way of censoring the comment posted on our published post. So this option is very important. You must select this. Scroll down. Now when a user has not set any avatar while posting the comment, he should have some default avatar. You can select anything or you can leave this setting as it is. I'll click on monster ID, click on save. Now go to media settings. Now this is a very important setting, because whenever you are uploading a image for particular post, what WordPress will do, it will resize the image into various width and height and duplicate the image. It will actually consume more of a bandwidth, more of a space on your server. So to avoid that, what you should do, you should uncheck this. You should set the width at 0, height to be 0. You can select all the other dimensions as well as 0. You can select every dimension as 0. So this will actually prevent WordPress in creating multiple copy of the same image. Click on save. Now there is an option of permalinks. Now permalinks, by default it is selected as your host plus category slash post name, but I want to make it as a host slash post name. So what I will do, I'll select this. I'll click on save changes. Permalink structure is updated. In this way, we have to do some basic settings with your website.